zasingiza nyuma ni ukuvuga ngo ibyo nakoze ibyo wanyitiye ubutwari ndabyemera ko nta muntu wapfa gutinyuka ngo bivugire mu Rwanda.
Karasira Uzaramba was affected by COVID-19. Today, he will not appear in the court. Indeed, his case could be postponed, and at the end of the day, we will get to hear from judge's announcement about when his case will be open again to be conducted. While Karasira Aimable was scheduled to stand for his trial today, June 22nd, 2021, his lawyer said that his client Karasira Uzaramba was affected with the COVID-19 and the case could be postponed. His lawyer told the VOA that Karasira was affected by COVID-19 while in Rwanda this virus is in high speed. The prosecution said that although he was found to be COVID-19 affected, he was not yet ill by another different disease, except the ones we knew before. It was on May 31st, 2021 the National Police announced the arrest of Karasira Uzaramba. On May 31st, 2021, the National Judicial Service Rwanda Investigation Bureau announced the Karasira was arrested due to justifying and denying the genocide against the Tutsi in 1994. For splitting separation among Rwandan, bunch of money with no source of it, not only where he got it from. Therefore, Rwanda Investigation Bureau assumed that Karasira's money was originated from the laborers and terrorism groups supporting him to do wrong thing in Rwanda. Karasira said that in fighting in Kigali between Inkotanyi forces and government forces by post regime, Kaitusha bomb was fired by Inkotanyi and immediately fell in his parents' home. It was in Nyamirambo, immediately killed his brothers and sister, including the family. His mother and father and sister claimed to have been killed by the Inkotanyi, where his mother was working in Ririma, Bugesera. Someone told him they are taking people suspected of being in Interahamwe. Your mother told to white people and told them there were massacres being happened in Rwanda for the time. She was betrayed on both sides. United Nations had confirmed that there was genocide against the Tutsi in Rwanda, but some Rwandans, including Karasira, said there was being killing action which was done by all PF Inkotanyi forces before in 1994 and later. Another massacre is a topic that I may challenge to mention in Rwanda. In his speech on Sunday, Karasira said that after the genocide, he was not given the same right as genocide survivor, as he said they knew that his parents were killed by the Inkotanyi. Karasira said that his young brother had long suffering with mental illness, and Karasira himself had been diagnosed with severe depression. He said he arrived at the university. Unfortunately, he was harmed by other genocide survivors, which was too university to have schooling together with him. At the university, they fabricated information that I was in Interahamwe child like a calamera for the world, and that I was the son of Buchana Martin, DLC member, just to let people hate me according to those fabricated information, so that assassination is committed by the RPF against my family could be covered up. He said this because the Interahamwe killed many of his family members in his hometown of South province of Rwanda. The Inkotanyi killed his parents and siblings as well. Karasira said his talk show, opinion, and the freedom of expression have led him being visited by people since 2010 up to now, being pursued by the Rwanda Investigation Bureau. Not only he was denied not to have a right to hold a passport as if he is not a citizen of Rwanda. Rwanda is a biased country that had different worldview in negative lens on whatever Karasira does or opposition parties does. Karasira, he is an IT graduate. He's popular, known for his YouTube channel called Kudimbona, the Tri-C, saying he was fired from his lecturing job at the University of Rwanda in August 2020. The University of Rwanda has said he was fired for misrepresenting his conduct in different values, principles, and responsibility as educators. He didn't perform everything very well. In an interview about his health, Karasira said he is eldest of 4 children, born in the South Province of Rwanda to Tutsi parents, but grew up in Kigali. He said that in fighting, after all, it gave me a reason in not having an ethnicity, and I support it by saying that all Tutsis are in pain and all Hutus are in pain, due to the fact that Interahamwe killed many of his family members in his hometown of South Province of Rwanda, and Inkotanyi killed his parents and siblings. As a matter of fact, he was supposed to appear in a court as we mentioned, and today he's not going to appear in a court due to the COVID-19. It was affected him. Right now, as we talk, he's at a hospital. All the growing information, the trustworthy information he got was from his lawyer, who stand to speak in his behalf so that he will pass a right in a judge's law. To those who love him and supporting him, do whatever you know can save his life.